It is time to shower. Joey's not awake yet, so I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna eat. We gotta fix a dirt bike today, and it's supposed to be raining all day today. It's slightly sprinkling right now outside. I don't really have much planned for today. So today is gonna be kind of about, well, first we're gonna do the dirt bike, but I may have Ultimate Frisbee, but it's raining, so probably gonna get canceled. Okay, I was just about to do the perfect bowl of cereal little segment thing, but as I just noticed, I walked down the stairs and I felt something weird about my foot, ignored it till now. There's a fucking hole in my sock. You ready? You sure you're ready? No. We gotta fold all these blankets. Done. A friend that's like family. What makes that?
No. Us.
Us?
Us.
Air filter looks like complete horse crap. Alright, second problem. Over here, we need to fix this thing. It's cracked all the way up here. It's bent all the way back in here. We just pull it back out. Third problem is the oil on the inside looks like it is a mud puddle on the highway streets where people throw their sewage. Alright, so what's wrong with it is the oil, the air filter, why it bogs out like that. You hear when it should just start. Yeah, we just finished doing the dirt bike. Dirt bike was a fucking piece of shit to fix. We still have to do the oil, air filter, complete garbage. So me and Joey, we're watching what movie?
Creed.
Creed. I have a video camera here. I mean, I only can send myself 8-second videos, but we're going to try to get an 8-second long video with this to see what options I have and maybe getting one and doing editing through computer. I don't know if you can hear this one, but this is my other 8-second trial to see comparison. So yeah, don't worry. We're probably going to get that camera. Hold that up for him. And it's this one right here. It's got zoom, I can record. It's pretty nice. So yeah, that's my goal. As we're driving over, I get more parts of the dirt bike. OMG. Alright, so, well, I was away from the camera for almost 3 hours. We were fixing the dirt bike. I mean, it's very bad lighting and all in here, but here it is. So far, we gotta get the new air filter, new spark plug, we cleaned the car, we cleaned everything. We got the new gas run through, new oil, everything's all done. And it's all zip tied up that needs to be zip tied, so we've got a couple more things to do. I fucking hate the fact that this thing keeps breaking. Really? It's my second one and it broke again. So my front camera does not take good videos. I understand. You're gonna notice that. And wow, that is a mess. Alright, but whatever. So today I'm going to bed in my outfit for Ultimate Frisbee because Ultimate Frisbee was canceled very sadly and it made me want to cry. There's my nigga. There's my nigga. No. No. OMG, come back, nigga. Nigga. My nigga. Fine. Fine, you're my nigga again.
Yay!
I love you.
Hey, we don't have earbuds in.
Huh? I haven't said anything bad.
I know, I'm just saying.
About that time. She's talking about sex, Mom.
Stacey's like, what the hell?
When you have your headphones in.
And there's Joey playing my guitar.